Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how you go about sending money to friends and family through the PayPal app. So what I'm going to do is launch the PayPal app on my phone. And then from the home page, you can see that there's a send button right here. We're going to click on that. Now you need to make sure that you have a payment method linked up to your PayPal account or a PayPal balance of some money that you're going to be sending. And if you want to link up a credit card, debit card, bank account, what you do is go down to the right-hand corner and click on this image that looks like a little stack of cards. And you can add a bank or a card by clicking on this little plus icon in the banks and cards area, and then just make sure that you have the funding source that you're going to need to send this money to your friends or family. And we're going to go back to the home page by clicking the home icon and then clicking send. And then here at the top, you can enter in the email address that is associated with the PayPal account that you want to send funds to, the mobile number that is linked up to the PayPal account, perhaps their name. There's different search options, but I'm going to click on this search bar up here. And for me, I entered in the email of the PayPal account that I'm going to be sending the funds to, and it popped up right here in the send to area. So I'm going to click on that and then enter in how much funds you want to send. So let's say I'm going to send $20. So entering that in. And if you want, you can add a message with these funds that you're sending, but you don't have to. And then you can click next. And then you need to select your payment option. So I've hooked up a bank account, a debit card, as well as a credit card. I'm going to be sending these funds with my bank account, so that is selected right here. If you want, again, you can link a bank or card, and you can do so by clicking the plus icon right here. But once you have the payment option selected, go ahead and click next. And since I want to send these funds to a friend or a family member, these are not goods and services, so I'm going to select that option right here so we can change it. And then choose the friends and family option. And when we have friends and family selected, transferring the money from my bank account, you can see that the PayPal fee is going to be 0. And this is what we were looking for. So make sure you have friends and family selected in this area. So then you can see the amount, the fee, which should be 0 if you're sending from your bank account, and then your total amount here at the bottom. And then you can click send if everything looks good. And those funds were successfully sent. So I can click done at the bottom. And that'll wrap this one up. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about sending funds from your PayPal app to a friend or family. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.